Sucker Free RT back with another video. Hey man, I done tried to do my own headlights. It didn't go well. I mean, it went well until the last second, man. It went well until the last second, but I'm gonna show y'all, man. Alright, I'm back. It's a different day. I was tired yesterday. I couldn't finish. I ain't feel like finishing the video, so I gotta do something today anyway. So I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. I gotta go pick up my speaker. If y'all watched my other video, when I got my speaker, it busted the same day. So I had to let them recone it. So I'm just not going to pick it up though. But anyway, back to the story. Alright, so I'm watching videos on how to do the lights. Like 2 weeks straight. You gotta put it in the oven, 225, 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm like, alright, bet, I got it. So I got some stuff. I got the lights off, lighting trends. I got the halos and the demon eye. I'm watching videos on the demon eye too. They're like, okay, you just take the demon eye out. It's a whole piece. It go right on there. Everything gonna go good. So I'm like, alright, bet. Everything look easy. So we come in. I get the lights in. So I'm like, alright, let's get to it. It was Friday. I got off work at like 3 o'clock. I checked the weather. It's supposed to rain Saturday all day. So I'm like, oh man, I can't do that. It's supposed to rain. No, wait, go back. It was supposed to rain all Friday. So when I got off Thursday at 3, I was like, man, I'm gonna just go ahead and take the headlights out now. And then I'll do the rest the next day. So it's 3 in the morning. I'm in the parking lot in the dark with my flashlight, taking the bump off and taking the lights out, right? I'm tired of doing all this. So I do it. I get it all there, I go in the house. I watch one more video to make sure I got it. 225 Fahrenheit, 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm like, all right, cool. Let's get it going. So, you know what I'm saying? I get the oven ready. I turn that thing on, preheat it. I got the headlights. I'm taking everything, got the headlights, everything, so nothing melt. So, bam. You want to race, nigga? All right, anyway. So I get I put them in there. I put on 225, 10, 12 minutes. I take it out. I'm like, man, this shit's still hard. I'm watching video. They just, you know what I'm saying, pulling it straight out and busting it apart. I'm like, man, maybe it's somebody that, you know what I'm saying, did something with these headlights or something. I don't know. So I put it back in there again. 10 more minutes. So then I pull it out. It's still hard, but I got the brake like half of it. I got to pull it in one, it still wouldn't come. So I'm like, fuck, I'm finna do my own thing. I put that on 250. Put it on 250 and put it back in there. For about, I put it in there for 10 minutes. I get it out, that was good. So I'm you know what I'm saying? I painted the front red. I'm gonna show y'all the video. I'm just let y'all see once I get done talking. After I get where I'm going, I'm gonna show y'all the red I painted on it. So I painted the little lens on the red, not the lens, but the chrome piece on there, I painted it red because it's a little red on the car. So I painted that red so it can match. So I get the little halos. I put them on there after the paint dry and everything. That's how good. Super glue them down, make sure they ain't going nowhere. Then here come the demon eye. Man, like I said, I was watching videos. It was a whole piece you take out. So I get to going to the demon eye. I'm like, this ain't what I seen in the video, man. It ain't even the real. It ain't even the real piece like I seen. So I'm like, how the fuck I supposed to do this? I try to find some more videos of them doing it on the exact same headlights. I found one video, and the motherfucker want to speed it up as soon as he put the demon eye in. So I'm like, god damn. So I had to freestyle to try to figure out my own way. I ended up getting the demon eye on there good. So that's good. I put the demon eye on there, the halos on there, glued that one back up. That one good. By the time I do that, by the time I get done with the first light, it's like 8 o'clock. Cause I was on the heating process for about a good 2 hours. Cause I couldn't get that thing up for nothing. I didn't want to break nothing. But after I get to that one, I'm on the second headlight. So I'm like, okay, bet. I know what to do now. I know to put the heat up, you know what I'm saying, put it on 250 and do a little longer time. So I put it on 250. That one didn't even work. So it worked a little bit. I got some of it out. I got some of it off, so I'm like, let me put it back in there, try one more time. So I'm like, at this time it's 8 o'clock. So I'm like, let me take a little nap. Let me take a nap, take a little 10-minute nap while I was in there. I ain't even go get in the bed, bro. I sat on the floor. I laid on the floor. That's how tired I was. I laid on the floor. I'm like, let me take a 10-minute nap. My son sleep. So I lay on the floor. I go to sleep. Man, man, I woke up at 1 o'clock, bro. I hop up out my sleep like, oh shit. I hop out my sleep fast. I go to the oven. It ain't milk. Wasn't nothing really wrong with it. I just know I was asleep too long. So I took it out. I'm like, oh yeah, it's for so finna slide off the bone now, fall right off, you know what I'm saying, come right apart. So I go and I get to pull it. I say, yeah. I guess that long ass sleep I took, that long ass nap I took, got me right. So I took that apart. I get to hooking the lights up, doing this. I know how to do the thing now, so that came quick. I painted it, put the halo on there, put that back together, let it dry. So I go to the car, I get to hooking the lights back up. Now remind you, I had the halos, which is the big eye, the big halo, the little halo, and the demon. So there's 3 cords coming out the back of the lights. So I run all the little boxes to hook it up. So I'm like, damn, I forgot which one go to which. I done fucked up and hooked up the big eye with the big halo to the demon eye box. And I'm talking about that thing get to smoking. That whole motherfucker get to smoking on me. So I'm like, oh, let me unconnect that real quick, undo that. So I undo that. I'm like, damn, I think I done fucked something up. So after I seeing that was smoking, I unhooked that quick. I'm like, damn, what the fuck I did? So I got the way I control it with the phone. I got the Bluetooth controller one. I control with the phone, so I put my phone down. I get to going through the lights. I'm like, damn, man, I done fucked it up. It's like maybe 8 lights on there that showing a different color. It's only on one light though. It's showing a different color. And I'm like, man, I done all this work, but I'm not finna take this headlight back apart. So I'm just finna thug it out. But it only show different colors depending on what color I got it. Like if I show it on red, it show all the red. White, blue, it really ought to show 100% right in the red and the green, I think that, yeah, red and green. As soon as I go to that blue, I'm gonna have the few strips on the side, the whole different color. But I mean, it ain't just bad, but I ain't finna fix it, I can tell you that. I'm just gonna, most likely I'm gonna go just buy the spec D lights with the color changes in them. But that shit like $800, man. Well, that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. But I'm on the way to the audio shop. When I get there, I'll show y'all what they look like. Okay, my speaker put back in. This how I look. I ain't got the demon on right now. You can't really see it in the day. But you see the part I painted red. It look alright until I change the color. See, this side good. This the one I said I messed up. See the color changes, the one I see. So yeah. What are you doing back here? Get my sub. Oh yeah, I did this too. Put that on there.
How'd they take out your sub? Or they took it out just like that?
Yeah, he just unscrewed it and took it out.
I gotta drop your seat. I'm through the boat.
Say it again?
I gotta drop your seat.
Okay. Can't really see the demon eye tonight, but that color changed too. Can you see it? At night it look real good. I got a video, I'm putting it in here. But yeah. Let's see what they got going on here. Ooh.
Every day of my life is sucker free. If you looking for a come up, well it won't be out for me. Not for me. Every day of my life is sucker free. If you looking for a come up, well it won't be out for me. Nah.
Hey, man, that's it for this video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I got a whole lot more stuff coming. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn that notification bell on, okay? It's free. It don't cost no money.